Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Slurps Fresh Into Fridays. Today we're going to be making, obviously I'm not making them right now because I'm away right now in Newfoundland. Yay! Canada, East Coast. We're going to be making some garlic chive mandu. So that is a Korean dumpling made with garlic chives. We got some tofu in there. We've got some nice simple aromatics that are in the mix, and it's completely vegetarian. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, we've got our ingredients here. We have one package of tofu. We've got some garlic cloves, about 4 of them we're gonna use. We have our dumpling wrappers, 2 large onions, 2 eggs. I'm gonna be using half a bunch of chives, kosher salt, a little sesame oil, some cabbage over here, and soy sauce. We're gonna begin, noodles, of course. We have our mung bean or glass noodles. We're just gonna go soak that in hot water. And for now, we're also going to press our tofu to get all the moisture out, and once that's been sitting for 10 minutes, we're going to crumble it up with our hands, like so. For here, we're going to add some steamed cabbage and throw it into our food processor, just like so. And then we're going to add in our onions, and then we're going to add in some of our garlic cloves as well, and of course, set them to a bit of a blitz. Same thing here, we're going to do the same thing for our mung bean noodles. We want everything chopped up super small and nice and fine, just like so. And then we're gonna go ahead and add that in with our finely chopped chives here. Those are our garlic chives. Adding a couple tablespoons of soy sauce and sesame oil, as well as some white pepper. And then 2 of our eggs, which is gonna help bind everything together. You wanna be careful about adding too much liquid here because it'll be really hard for you to roll up your dumplings and your mandu at the end. So from here, once everything's all mixed, we're gonna go carefully spoon that in and then wet our dumpling wrappers and then crimp them on the side just like so until all of the dumpling wrappers are done. I've made about over 100 of them here, so if it's too much, just go ahead and make it half. Add some oil to a pan, adding your mandu to the pan, add a little bit of water, cover it and cook for 6 minutes just like so. The bottom's will be nice and crispy and it's going to be steamed and fully cooked. Wonderful. Add a little chili oil on top and you're good to go. Yum! If you like this video, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell just in the top right hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you next week. Bye!